DJI's next big release, the Air 3S, is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones of the year, and we've got the latest leaks to prove it. Things had been a bit quiet on the leak front for a while, but now the buzz is back, thanks to the reliable sources at Jasper Ellens and at Quadro_News. These two are always right in the middle of DJI-related leaks, and they've been dropping some pretty juicy details about the Air 3S, specifically that it could be replacing the Air 3, which is currently priced at around $1,239 on Amazon. In fact, just recently, both of them released new promo shots of the Air 3S, and Jasper Ellens even shared what looks like an official spec sheet. So, let's break down what's exciting about this upcoming drone. First off, let's talk about the camera setup. The Air 3S is rumored to pack two powerful cameras, a wide-angle and a medium telecamera. The wide-angle comes with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, an 84-degree field of view, and a 24mm equivalent lens with a fast f1.8 aperture, perfect for capturing stunning landscapes. The medium telecamera, featuring a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, offers a 35-degree field of view, equivalent to 70mm, giving you serious reach for tighter shots. The wide-angle camera shoots up to 50 megapixel, while the medium telecamera captures at 48 megapixel, so expect incredible detail from both. Plus, the ISO range hits up to 12,800, double that of older Air models, making low-light photography or videography much easier. And to keep things safe, especially in darker conditions, DJI seems to have added LiDAR sensors, ensuring top-notch obstacle avoidance. As for the video, it's equally exciting. The Air 3S can handle 4K at 120 frames per second and 1080p at a crazy 240 frames per second. There's even vertical shooting at 2.7K 60 frames per second, which should be perfect for those TikTok or Instagram reels. You'll get some impressive dynamic range too, with support for normal, HLG, and D-Log-M color modes. When it comes to flying, this drone isn't just about cameras. It can stay in the air for up to 45 minutes on a single charge, which is a solid improvement over previous models. The drone has a top speed of 27 meters per second, that's about 88.6 feet per second, and can handle a bit of wind, up to 12 meters per second, so it's built for some tough conditions. Plus, you've got a max takeoff altitude of 6,000 meters, meaning this drone is ready to go to some pretty epic heights. Now, if you're wondering about storage, the Air 3S offers a generous 42 gigs of internal storage, which is handy for those long shoots when you don't want to mess around with memory cards. Lastly, there's the power factor. The Air 3S is powered by a 4,276 mAh battery, giving you about 45 minutes of flight time. Charging times are reasonable too, with the battery taking roughly 60 to 80 minutes to fully charge depending on your charger. The new RCN3 remote controller has a max operating time of 3.5 hours, and charging it takes about 2 hours. So you're not waiting around for long to get back in the air. And it's not just the drone that's exciting, there's also a brand new accessory called the RC Track. According to Jasper Ellens, this accessory is basically a tracking beacon that lets the drone follow you automatically, which sounds perfect for capturing those cinematic shots without needing a second pilot. There's also some confusion around the release date. Few rumors pointed to an October 15th launch, while few believe it to be on October 23rd instead. Well, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.